टेस्टेड टेस्ट आई वाज टेस्टिंग दिस माइक एंड वंडरिंग कि ये काम कर रहा है कि नहीं. सो दिस माइक आई ब्रॉट वे बैक एंड शायद मैंने एक दो वीडियो टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मेडिटेशन इज. इट्स बेसिकली जस्ट शटिंग डाउन ऑल योर थॉट्स which is very difficult for a human being to shut down all its thought. There are number of thoughts go. रेस्ट. कई लोग कहते हैं रेस्ट क्या है, रेस्ट मत करिए, आप खुद इतने रेस्टलेस होते हैं, रेस्ट मत कीजिए, ज्ञान बांट देते हैं. हेलो, माइक टेस्टिंग. हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल ब्लॉग. सो आज के ब्लॉग की मैं शुरुआत कर रही हूँ. संडे स्पेशल ब्लॉग है. समय कुछ 2:20 हो रहा है और संडे के दिन कुछ नहीं, मैं आराम कर रही थी और आराम करते करते मुझे याद आया कि मैं आप लोगों से कुछ बात करती हूँ. सो अक्सर क्या होता है कि संडे का दिन आपका आराम करने में ही जाता है. सो आज मैं लेटे हुए कुछ आराम करना चाहिए, आराम नहीं करना चाहिए, या आराम किसने बनाया है? रेस्ट. कई लोग कहते हैं रेस्ट क्या है, रेस्ट मत करिए, आप खुद इतने रेस्टलेस होते हैं, रेस्ट मत कीजिए, ज्ञान बांट देते हैं कि आराम नहीं करना चाहिए. तो मैं इसी के ऊपर कुछ सोच रही थी कि एग्जैक्टली रेस्ट जरूरी है कि नहीं. सो रेस्ट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. आपको आराम करना चाहिए. आराम हर किसी के लिए अलग अलग चीजें होती हैं. जैसे मेरे लिए होता है टू गिव टाइम टू माई सेल्फ, टू हैव माई कप ऑफ कॉफी, टू सिट विथ यू एंड टॉक. रेस्ट कैन मीन डिफरेंट थिंग्स टू डिफरेंट पीपल. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप बिस्तर पे पड़े हुए हैं, लेटे हुए हैं और उसमें लेटने में भी आप परेशान हैं, आपको लग रहा है आप क्या ही कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. मैं उस रेस्ट की बात बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं रेस्ट की बात कर रही हूँ जब आप मेंटली, सोल, हार्ट, माइंड सारी चीजें सिंक कर जाती हैं एक साथ और आपको एक फीलिंग ऑफ व्हाट शुड आई से, इट शुड बी फीलिंग ऑफ फुलफिलमेंट. यू फील दैट यू आर जस्ट रेस्टिंग एंड एंजॉइंग योर डे, which comes with lot of mindful practicing. So I am particularly like I have been doing, and once I realized that this is very important part of your life. So like I say कि जो आप ब्रीथ इन एंड ब्रीथ आउट वाली एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, जो आप मेडिटेशन करते हैं, अगर आप कर पाते हैं, मेडिटेशन इज समथिंग हर कोई नहीं कर सकता. इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मेडिटेशन इज. इट्स बेसिकली जस्ट शटिंग डाउन ऑल योर थॉट्स which is very difficult for a human being to shut down all its thought. There are number of thoughts going into your mind and to bring them to a pause and to live in that present moment. It's a very difficult thing. It's what should I say, it would be close to impossible for so many people. But awareness होनी चाहिए. awareness ये होनी चाहिए कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही थॉट्स आ रही हैं जो आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रही हैं, एंड देन यू कैन हैव अ कंट्रोल ओवर इट. बट इट्स रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू इट. सो रेस्टिंग, बेसिकली व्हाट आई मीन व्हेन आई से रेस्टिंग इज कमिंग टू अ पॉइंट वेयर यू आर लाइक कि ओके ठीक है, ऐसे करके आई कैन rest. So rest is basically syncing of your body, mind and soul. Yeah, this mic is being tested. Test. I was testing this mic and wondering कि ये काम कर रहा है कि नहीं. So this mic I brought way back and शायद मैंने एक दो वीडियो भी शूट की थी बीच में मैं इसको चार्ज करना भूल जा रही थी. तो I made sure that I charge it today and that's how this mic is. So coming back to what I said, that meditation, resting, and for a woman, I would say for a woman's health, resting is very important. औरतों को टाइम नहीं मिलता रेस्ट करने का. वो ऑफिस में काम करती हैं, फिर घर आके काम करती हैं, फिर बच्चों के लिए काम करती हैं. उनको आराम कब मिलता है? नाइदर फिजिकली, नाइदर मेंटली, नॉर इमोशनली. Of course, female otherwise also need a lot of resting, because every month their body is going through a healing process inside. A lot of healing is happening, which requires a lot of resting periods, and we as a woman never realize that that there is even a difficult thing going inside their body which needs a lot of resting. We push over, we try to do the things beyond our calibers, and at time it's just like very difficult to think like how we are managing all this stuff. So therefore I feel that there is some time period when you, yeah, so therefore I feel one should take their own time to rest and breathe and to have peace, have a cup of coffee. I'm saying ये आपको खुद realization होगी, body खुद बताती है कब उसको rest चाहिए, कोई बताने की चीज़ नहीं है. But lot many time we are not aware. As a result of that, we do a lot of overexertion, and overexertion means that we push our bodies beyond our capacities. Especially as females, I don't know about anybody else. Since I am a female myself itself, so my body is going through a lot of internal healing, and apart from that I also need mental and emotional healing that is required with reference to the thoughts that are going on in my head, the lot of stuff that I am doing. Peace hai kahan? It's so difficult to find that space, but I would suggest one should create that space for themselves. Otherwise ऐसा होना नहीं वाला है कि आपको कभी peace मिलने वाली है. I mean, like I said, you should not be in a competition with anyone. It's your own journey. Everyone has come in this lifetime for their own purpose. They have their own purpose to sort it out. We all are on a completely different journey and on a completely different path. So I don't think so that you should compete and as a result drain your body. You should be in your own lane, resting, enjoying. So often it's said it's the journey that makes it really nice. So by journey it means the process through which you are going through. It should be so joyful, peaceful, restful that you really feel that you really want to push those things up, but it requires a lot of effort. So I have not posted video I think for the last 6 days, and sometimes you just don't feel creatively motivated enough, and it's completely okay. Sometimes you are not motivated, sometimes you are not in the motivation zone to do the work, and it's completely okay to rest. I mean, resting should not be something which should make you guilty. Doing nothing should not make you guilty. You should take your own time to get into again motivation zone, because if you are not in that motivational zone to do the work, you will not bring the best of your caliber onto the table. And if you're not bringing the best of the caliber on your table, I don't think so it can really help. So as a woman, please do take care of your health. Take enough of resting, whether physically, mentally or emotionally. Just shut down everything around you. Take care of your body, take care of your emotional well-being, take care of your health well-being. And we as females are really creative creatures, right? So something is going inside our body that requires healing by itself. It's a lot of stuff going inside our body. When it gets healed, you should give that time. And then there is also a lot of emotional stuff that goes on in your headspace that you should take care of. So I would just suggest enjoy your day, rest, don't feel guilt, and just enjoy your Sunday. Do nothing. I mean, for me, sometime having a cup of tea, no, it's a cup of coffee. Yeah, cup of coffee with you all is all that I look forward to, and that is resting for me. So for someone, resting could be completely cut off from the world, not talking, not doing anything, whatever it is. Just take your time out and make sure yourself that you are resting enough. I am glorifying resting because resting is important for your body, for a female, and glorifying resting, it should not ever be a problem. I'm not glorifying the other stuff. People keep on glorifying work, but I am somebody who believes that if you're resting enough, you would be really good at your work. You will do it with all your zeal and emphasis. So I am personally somebody who believes take enough time to rest, so that when you work, everybody sees your presence, everybody sees that you are there mentally, physically, emotionally. Don't drag yourself too much. Dragging by itself will result into a number of things. So take care of your health. That's it from Aparajita Tales, Aparajita Tales podcast series. Yeah, I forgot. So maybe this is one of the continuation of that self discovery journey where I am trying to find out how to take care and move ahead in life, and also bringing in all of you together so that you can also take the time to come out of it, rest enough, take care of your physical, mental and other stuff. It will all take you to a very adventurous journey which will be quite fulfilling, very practical, and you will be like, why didn't I realize, why did I underestimated the value of resting? Sometimes, I mean, our lifestyle is such that we don't get that time to rest. It's so very difficult to even find a time to rest. But I would say, please create that space to rest, and that will bring you lot more vigor to your work and every other thing. So closing it for now, that's it from Aparajita Tale podcast. I hope you like the conversation. I moved ahead. So it's been a long time I haven't made a video. So I said, why not try and make a video onto the resting phase as well? It's also like important for our lives. So if I'm not in that creative stage, I'm not in that space to put out anything, content, or to do my work, I should not feel guilty, and I should have that resting phase and enjoy my day. And doing nothing is also work, because many people don't know how to do nothing. So like I said, I'm reading this Thich Nath books, and those books are really opening my mind to the fact that whole day we do not get time even to do nothing. To create that space for doing nothing is a big deal. So if you are able to create that space for yourself, please do it. Make it a time for yourself. आराम खराब नहीं होता है, आराम बहुत अच्छा होता है. और अगर आप अच्छे से रहेंगे, आप आराम करेंगे, so it will be good for your work as well. It would be good for your family itself. It would be good for the people around you. Your resting is very important. So closing it for now. So that's it from Aparajita Tales podcast, blog series. I would say podcast because I spoke on a topic which is affecting each one of us. So that's it. Closing it for now. Do like, comment and subscribe to Aparajita Tale Vlogs.